Faux Locs Crochet Installation. Step by step. 1. Prep your natural hair. Wash, deep condition, and moisturize your hair thoroughly. 2. Braid the base cornrow foundation. Cornrow your entire head straight back. 10 to 12 rows depending on how full you want it. Connect the loose ends by sewing them down or crocheting them into the other braids. 3. Insert the Faux Locs with crochet needle. 1. Open the loop of the Faux Loc. 2. Slide the crochet hook under your cornrow hook closed. 3. Attach the lock to the hook and close the latch. 4. Pull the lock through the braid until you get a small loop. 5. Pull the tail of the lock through the loop and tighten gently. Repeat across all your cornrows. 4. Style and finish. Use edge control to lay your baby hairs. Add mousse or light oil sheen for a polished look. This is the final product. Please like, comment and follow for more.